Alright, just got this toy from their Uncle Ben and Auntie Ben. Supposedly it's a RC car or something with music. I think you're supposed to turn it on or something. Hey, hold on. Daddy gotta turn it now. Where is it? Oh, I think it's right here. Right there. Wait, where's the music? What? Hold on. Oh, another mode? Is it?
What to do?
Oh, wait. Oh! So we gotta slide all the way to the... Hold on. Daddy gotta look. All the way to the right is the mobile music. Okay. Let's try it now. Whoa. How the... How are you supposed to control this? Oh, wait. It looks like the music is changing by itself. Up, down, left, right. JJ, turn off the light. Okay, come here. Okay, yep. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, Daddy can't record and control at the same time. Yo, it is 11 o'clock p.m., yo. We're gonna get in trouble. Whoa, it can turn like that? What? Whoa. Oh, never get stuck. Levy, don't touch your nightlight. Oh, there's wheels on top. That's why it doesn't get stuck. Hold on, let's turn it this way. Hold on. Oh wait, how would it work? Oh, turn. Ah. And that's it. We're gonna call it a night. Whee! Or not. All right. Peace out.